Of course, you can use a special perfume, which actually like KGB used to have this special ingredients in the perfume, which contains like some like grass and all that, which actually attracts attention.
How exactly did the swallows awaken such strong sexual desire in men? First, they prepared a mixture of herbs, verbena, lavage, and rue. Even at the time, it was scientifically proven that the combination of these three components awakens male potency. It happens on a subconscious level, regardless of the victim's will.
So we received hundreds of requests to make this again. The first batch we produced was totally sold out. So the original formula consists of 3 oils only: lavage, which is also called love oil, and wild rue, and verbena. I personally like to add jasmine, royal beeswax absolute. It adds a slightly sweet note to it that makes it more wearable. Everything here is 100% natural. And this is our second production of this batch, historically exactly how it was originally intended and made. If you have not tried this, or you're a lady and you like to wear something slightly rosy, herbal, and clean, and you don't believe that natural oils can have a strong hormonal effect, I strongly encourage you to try this oil.